So you have a lot of information about Pisces ascendant, their nature, and the technicalities of other planets and its relationship with the other houses in a Pisces ascendant. Here you will know what are the important points in judging relationship with a Pisces ascendant. Now, if we consider the term as Pisces ascendant, then it will be not having much meaning in our discussions because we will here mean the influence of Jupiter or the influence of moon and the sun, and when there are more planets in the sign of Pisces, then whether the native is a Pisces ascendant or not, it will have more influence and more characteristics of the sign Pisces. So if there are 5 planets in the sign Pisces, then more traits and more events and more nature of the native will be derived by the sign Pisces, even if it is not the ascendant, because most planets are there. 4 or 5 planets are there, and if Sun, Moon, Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, these all are in one sign, that is Pisces, and if the ascendant is Cancer, then even if the ascendant is Cancer, more of the native traits, more of his inclination will be seen from Pisces. So we are considering the relationship of such natives. Now, the opposite sign to Pisces is Virgo. So most frequently the Pisces ascendant people or those people who have a dominant Piscean force in their chart will be attracted towards a spouse or towards a partner who has the sign Virgo, or in her or his chart Virgo sign is dominant. Now, why Pisces ascendant people attracts Virgo natives? This is a quite interesting point. you know, what is the characteristics of Pisces ascendant? They are very much spiritual. They are not down to earth, and they are also not very much practical. They are emotional, they are creative, they are spiritual, they are mystical, they are escapist. So they need a partner who are opposite in their nature. What does the psychology says? That we attract a partner who are just opposite in our nature, because that gives us the qualities that is not present in ourselves. What we seek from others, that which is absent in ourselves. So Pisces native is attracted towards the opposite traits, that is practicality, that is down to earth attitude, that is not so much sensitivity but have a good reasoning and logical mind, and also they want a partners who are very much intelligent, they are reserved, that is the Virgo rising individuals are very much intelligent and reserved, and they need time to analyze things around them before they warm up to both situation and people. So such peoples are Virgo people. So they are very much critical also. They are very much body aware, and they are sensitive to any discomfort or other signals their body gives them, because they are very body awareness. They are especially interested and concerned with physical health and are attracted to mind body awareness exercises. These are the qualities of the Virgo people. Most importantly, they are critical, they are analytical, they are down to earth, they are very much rational, they are very much professional, they are very much judging, they are very much um, intelligent and reserved. They are shy in each new situation, and they need time to warm up to new people and public events. So this makes them appear detached or critical. But if you find such a partner, they will be loyal and steadfast friend. And also, uh, they worry a lot if they are faced with new things. They are detail oriented and they catch the finest little items that other may miss. They tend to attract or attracted to those who need their help, and they are charming in a quite soothing way. They are loyal. They take reluctant to take their credit if they do something good to you, and they uh, they are very much perfectionist in whatever they do, because they are very much analytical. They are very much detail oriented. They don't like public displays of affection, but in private they can be very affectionate. They are extremely organized, and they don't want terrible messy things. And they may like to gossip. They are curious about everything around them. They are capable of absorbing huge amount of information that they are only too happy to share with anyone who will listen. They are dependable, and they are always in good, precise, and careful attitude. Uh, and they are very practical, and they dress themselves very well, and they like to have projects in their work, even walking moment. So they are very analytical. That is, they do they work with their mind even when they are walking. So it is a very analytical mind. Whereas the Pisces native, they are just opposite of Virgo. That is, they are very much impractical. They are addictive. They are sensitive. They are emotional. They are not down to earth. They have the qualities to believe in themselves and believe in the universe. That But that doesn't mean that they have a loose character, or they are uh, uh, devoid of their character. They are not courageous. That doesn't mean that. Pisces natives are such people who are very courageous, who will stand up to you, who will not withdraw. They have a strong character, but they are impractical, they are mystic, they are changeable. So these all opposite qualities are when matched, so they have a good relationship. So, but what does it mean that if a Pisces native have so many planets in in the sign of Cancer? So the ascendant is Pisces, and there is so many planets in the sign of Cancer, including the Lord of the seventh house. So in that case, the native will attract to a partner which is opposite to the sign of Cancer, that is the sign of Capricorn. That is the nature of the people in their constitution will have the qualities of Saturn. They will attract those people, even they are Pisces ascendant, since they have a lot of planet in Cancer sign. So they will be attracted to the partners just opposite to Cancer, that is Capricorn. So it is very important to judge where most of your planets are placed. That sign is influenced with.